Hello everyone, today we have a surgical guide kit from Dent company and we're excited to unveil it and show you what updates have been made and what changes have been implemented in this kit. Let's open it up. We see that in the familiar spots there are mounters standing. Here the mounter has a 0 offset. Over here the implantologists have offsets of 2, 4 and 6. In total we have 6 mounters here. The drivers have also been updated because the design of the mounters has changed. These are drivers for the torque wrench, and the drivers for the handpiece have also been updated. The extractors have also been updated, which help to remove the implantologist from the surgical guide kit. There is a short extractor and a long extractor. Other tools haven't been updated because they are already excellent as they are. What else? All our drills, a pin drill, directly 4 pins, a drill extender, our revolutionary innovative drill, which doctors really like and they order it for both this set and for other sets they use. I recommend everyone to order it. And all the usual elements that are in any other set. Let's see what has changed. Driver for the handpiece 1. Short driver for the torque wrench 2, long driver for the torque wrench 3, extractors, and directly mounters. Let's get one of each size, 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. Let's get aside this set for now and focus on these changes that have occurred. Short extractors, long extractors, that's clear. Regarding the mounters, what were the complaints about this mounter? Here inside they added another thread. And what does this give? When our screwdriver is in the mounters, it holds firmly there. It no longer falls out like before. This is very convenient. Doctors asked us about this and we did it. This is the first thing. Secondly, when we insert our mounter into the template, there were requests for the driver to be held on the mounter like this. It now stays in place. It doesn't fall off and it's very convenient. This is a short driver, and the driver for the handpiece also stays in place, which is very convenient. It's also very convenient that in the distal area, if you want to start inserting the mounter, but the distance between the jaws doesn't allow you to insert the tip, you can start inserting it in this position. Then, when the mounter goes deeper, the driver will be like this, and the distance to the jaw will increase and you will be able to insert it like this. This is also very convenient. If before you could only unscrew this screw with a screwdriver, now you need to unscrew it a little and then unscrew it with your fingers, because the shape has changed. If it used to be flat, now there is something to hold on to. The shape has become thinner right here, and this allows, in most cases, not to press into the bone with this area, which also became more convenient. And most importantly, the metal from which these mounters began to be made is much stronger, and each of these mounters withstands 100–150 newtons. We checked it 100 times. They have become even stronger, cooler, stronger, and more convenient. We continue to work, and if there are any more changes, I will definitely tell you about them. But today this is the most ideal kit I have ever had the opportunity to work with. I'll repeat the advantage once again. They have become stronger, they have become more convenient. We have taken into account all the wishes from the doctors who worked with the previous version. I'd like to remind you that this kit is for Dent implants installation, but additionally, you can purchase mounters of 10 more different types, and in these types, we have already changed 2 types as well, made in Eurovision. and this revision will affect all other types of mounters as well. But for now, the 1st and 8th types have been changed. I recommend using them. Once again, Alpha Dent Updated Kit. Contact dealers and buy it. Welcome to Navigation with Alpha Dent. Thank you for watching.